Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel MIZORAM Education Hub. I came back after a very long time today. Claim kabuaya chimi wangchon video kalo upload lo Ayush paper po ha. Ayush paper mo question paper sumnga which consists of 50 question. Kami paper kamo ga solve ma seng ka edit don chia ka voice a receive me alone chumi wangchon tihan kala da top voi kat record chatangai le dona chimi wangchon tun thleng kala delay maseng ka upload ang mo ga upload watanga so ka channel if you are first time visitor then question paper tamdau ka sol to in nthia in revise thia chuan ka channel in la subscribe lo chuan in subscribe bok nga when arithmetic maths speed distance time questions kan solve nga hemi part number 4 anin kashia chuan ithil pahat poi modo don't get confused my channel's name with others mania Instagram message milo tono many people are asking that sir antikange course suilon zone antia makka del duka in course mo katia B.Ed tite D.L.Ed tite D.Ed tite mo tive tia ha antika train nge course ka in start don antia makka del duka kai course ke man ka start mo katia ka zota khoyamo mu katia mo chunsa I thalak phat milo thona chuta chun MIZORAM Education Hub khalo nia makkatel duka ke ma ming ka channel ming nen anvei nang to ve katia unconfused tina chumi wangja nang ni pon confused lola kai chun engma course vel ka shalawa ka zuar lawa PDF ti te lekhabu engma po kai man MIZORAM Education Hub mingin engma course kalons lo kema po confused na sal te kalam so chimi function tlemin khami kha englo ve dola MIZORAM le MIZORAM Education Hub hemi hi andanglam ve ve a hemi ka request ania intriante mo mail share ten nei chuan ka channel ka videos an entry nei chuan tikha lo share kwalula hatiang message dekhamo khami me khatiang message ka endon chuan B.Ed vel B.L.Ed vel enti don chuan apoi mi lo enjoy thei khabi MIZORAM Education Hub po khamo maseng ke manen engma hei inzom naam lawa they are different chuan ke ma hi ka different I kai chuan engma karon zuar ve don lo tuna chuan ei YouTube tangpon engma payment ka dong to lawa chanju nong mani tan ve kania advertisement zong monetization zong ka off ka interruptions om lo nan okay so tuna questions kan enanga warm up questions kan solvang voina chuanin mo warm up questions kan solvanga masabera the speed okay hemi speed ania the question UPSC ka tich MPSC set examinations paran chak ta che wangjan kalau include ve how role to kanio avan har tak intimate masang haul to and hemi speed ne warm up ne he masang tu na thil pat ka shang cho mitam takin tiang question ju kan tinasa tol du kan solve na sa tol du ka chimi wangjan sar enge conceptual ve do mo har ve do low include la point timate he adiklu duk chumi jo tu nan tin nan hemi question number okay hemi question here a man rides at the rate of 18 km per hour but stops for 6 minutes to change horses at the end of every 7th kilometer the time that he will take to cover a distance of 90 km is tuna hemi question here maths thiam lo emo maths atlemin week atan tuna hemi explain taila aman thei don lo mo hemi concept ti aman ngal thei don lo voi nga voi thum voi li voi nga shil fi angai to shil non so zel angai don hey repeat zel angai don tinai chu tiamok chon hemi question poitro atelu tuk mo hemi question ni maseng tam takin kashala ule tam tak chan sol thei nge don ti ka shia chon ka ring lu tuk mo ka subscribers dei ka ring to lu tuk ania ka subscribers dei mo smart alarm in smart lu tiamok chon hemi poi A is twice as fast as B ania B is thrice as fast as C ania chon the journey covered by C in 1.5 hours will be covered by A in tuna hemi question yan tenan question number 1 na da tailatro tiang question ni mitam takatan a hardon mo so chumi wangchon basic hi tlemin tiam ve ngai trina mo hemi hi enge speed ani atro so speed equals to 1/3 meter per second when expressed in hey kilometer per hour kan express don enge kan tichin ka amapun ka seitwa meter per second atangin kilometer per hour kan convert don chon 18/5 in kan multiply chin adik tro chu tiambok chon kilometer per hour atangin meter per second kan convert chon 5/18 meter per second tian 5/18 in kan multiply chin basing tahian hemi chu hey fraction pon ilawa chon integer direct pon lo mixed fraction ya so ang tin nge hemi kan solve ang 3 1 by 3 enge omzia mapon ko sei towa ziak separate tula chon 3 multiplied by 3 chu 9 ania 9 plus 1 by 3 so 10 meter by 3 second mo 10 by 3 meter per second ania speed kan nei to tuna speed kan nei ya exact nge 10 by 3 meter per second tuna hemi engti kasai zo chi adro meter per second atangin kilometer per hour kan convert don chuan enge kan ti don meter per second kan da so nga chuan hemi ai han enge kan siang 18 by 5 kilometer per hour tian 18 by 5 kilometer per hour tuna cancel nga 3 table 18 oma 6 times tiang bok chuan 5 table 10 oma 2 times so 2 le 6 can multiply chon exact nge 12 kilometer per hour 12 kilometer per hour hemi can answer option number D is the correct answer of this question the questions to boy in solve I zel dan yo in the jana boilo in practice and you should solve this type of questions man ladies and gentlemen you should solve this type of questions it can be important for your examination you should definitely practice this type of questions also because nobody can exactly predict what type of questions they are going to ask you okay eng ang question ngan lo zo ton eng mashiat lawa hey basic thil how do train thil har sa kan thiam chon kan cover vek thei dona so main reason yeah chon thil pat unit conversion po thiam mangai tuna hemi question hitro question number 2 here a train is traveling at a rate of exact nge speed and given atro speed and given are 45 kilometer per hour chon how many second it will take to cover how many second chu enge time kan shalo tro chon it will take to cover a distance of 4 by 5 kilometer distance mitam tak chuan ti hian time an zong chuak ngal pop dona t equals to d by s d exact nge 4 by 5 kilometer ania chuan s exact nge 45 kilometer per hour mo ti hian an solve anga an cancel anga answer ron chuak ti han to ma seng khami kha diklo achan ju question hi how many seconds anti mo how many hours anti lo chumi wangchon unit conversion po kan thiam ngai don so hemi question hi pakhat ten step by step kan solve anga so A is so you have to pay attention a train is traveling at the rate of rate antia rate chu ange speed and train tra so 45 kilometer per hour enge omzia dar kar khata kilometer somli panga atlan train mo atlan thei ti na ni chu atlan ti na ni chu mo dar kar khata entinan 16 meter per second ani chon second khata meter som paru katlana chutiang bok chon 16 by 2 meter per second enge omzia chu second nia meter som paru katlan han ngei to ateu second nia meter som pani atlan chon meter ria tengza ta nge atlanang second khata atlanang chu a half aniang chu so these are the concepts so chimizo ange kan tiang ta hian hemi hi erase potila chimizo enge how many seconds antini how many hours antilo chumi wangchon t kan zon chuangai dona chumi chupo chu second anyo second a kan zon chuangai don to cover a distance of 4 by 5 kilometer so distance and given a 4 by 5 kilometer imshatiam tro tuna formula kan shia speed equals to distance by time anithin adikem so tiang bok chon time equals to distance by speed and train tuna distance exact nge distance to 4 by 5 kilometer divided by speed exact nge 45 tahan kan zia ka 45 kilometer per hour tuna hemi fraction hi antin nge kan solve ang chuan antin nge kan convert ang hemi tilitan kan zia ka enru uluk devin 4 by 5 kilometer anetro divided by 45 kilometer per hour tuna indu chuan hemi kilometer le hemi kilometer hi in cancel theya masing hemi hour hi khita inda chhawngai don ahmapon ka sai to tro fraction pani kan divide chon ei numerator a po fraction oma chon denominator a po fraction a om ve chuan hey anwai ber kha achung bernen kan multiply thina a multiplied by d chuan alayami pani b multiplied by c denominator a kan ziak chen yang concept tin shia tangaya so hemi hi antin nge kan ti do nei kilometer le kilometer kan cancela anwai ber hemi d ani yo hemi c ania hemi b ania hemi a ania so d le a kan multiply thin ki ta chhodei don ti nai chu so hemi hour hi he ta chung bera chhodei don so enge kan nei tuna 4 by 5 hours divided by 45 in shetiam tro tuna hemi hi antin nge kan solve ang mo betam tan boile me thia ta po hian hemi antin nge kan solve thin kha achunga chuan fraction oma anwaya chuan integer oma number pa number oma 45 noya ang maun chuan 1 om tinania so 4 le 1 kan multiplying a 4 1 so divided by b le c enge 5 le 45 chuan heta hours okay masing tuna kan answer hi hei in huam hours ania hemi po hi kan convert angai le don 4 multiplied by 1 4 1 sar mi 4 zi akila chuan hours ane tro divided by 5 multiplied by 45 tuna hemi hour hi second antin kan convert ang dar kar khata second exact nge a om thin dar kar khata sang thum le zaru ko om thin mo chumi wang chuan hemi hi 9 in kan cancel anga 400 times hemi 9 in kan cancel anga 5 times hemi 5 hi 400 hi 5 in kan cancel anga 80 times ania chuan 80 5 in kan cancel lenga 16 times tuna som paruk le hemi pali kan multiply ang 16 multiplied by 4 64 second hemi say in ti mai thei ma seng in practice chuan ami just step by step ka explain vecha ka chemi wang we chan lam tuna antinan I ti tiang point in sol thei thawa antinan speed ang zat nge 45 km per hour ania ama pon ka sei to tro hemi 45 km per hour chu 5 by 18 meter per second ania hemi 45 9 in kan cancel anga 5 zar hemi 18 in 9 in kan cancel anga 2 zar so exact nge 5 5 zar 25 ania tro 25 by 2 chu exact nge ni train 12.5 ania train so 12.5 meter per second chon a distance exact nge distance po chu tiang bok chon atira kan convert thai kilometer ania kilometer ain 1000 meter kan zia kang tuna 5 in kan cancel anga sang khate so 200 so pali le 200 kan multiply chuan exact nge 800 meter hi tian distance kan ne tuna time also then kan solve ang tian 800 meter divided by 12.5 meter per second hemi second I chunga om denga mi meter le meter yan cancel anga so second chan hemi point ni kan da son vele heta 0 pahat kan da so anting enge kan zia thai hemi 1000 hi to 125 en kan cancel chuan 8 time ania so 8 le hemi 80 kan multiply chuan 64 second ti point kan solve thai ti na chu ti han questions kan solve zelanga in shatiam vek mang a man traveled a certain distance okay tuna certain distance tro chumi wangchan hemi hi kan shemi alo hemi certain distance angin ngai ila a distance hi kan shelawa x kan assume manga meter nge kilometer kan zia don kilometer achan chu answer kilometer around chuaka since by train anti a train traveled a certain distance by train at the rate of exact nge a speed of train and given a 25 kilometer per hour and walked back okay aron return bokane chu in shetia nom zia chmo walked back at the rate of 4 kilometer per hour okay kallam ga ju train in akala so 25 kilometer per hour speed in atlana akala chon aron let lam khan aron holam kha a speed 4 kilometer per hour if the whole journey took 5 hours le 48 minutes an each one distancing okay andrew entirnan puya assume lama puya api te khua a azina train chon train speed kha akallam chu 25 kilometer per hour ania masengaron let lam kha a poisa nei zong kha mangzo ve ka meizial te zomo zu po in mei theyang ka shelo kha chu nga apple po ei theyang ma riat lo chumi wangchon poisa ha nei to si lo wa ka viewers puya inom chon thinarim kher lo explanation ata ni mi so aron let lama and then return lama khan poisa anei lawa chumi wangchon k in allow hota chumi chu enge a speed ti chuan 4 km per hour kallam 25 ania holam 4 km per hour tahian enge constant omje chu enge danglam lo speed danglam atro kallam ka 25 ania holam 4 ania speed chu a verita speed adanglama chumi wangchon time po adanglam don baseng distance ka chu adanglam don lo tro kallam po x ani dona holam po x mo an in atrangin api te khua x ani chuan api te khua atrangin ama in po x bokani yang chu chumi wang chuan tahian kan zia kanga tihian equals to total time tahan kan zia mo in shitiam lo me thenga total time equals to t1 plus T2 injadiam so tuna total time ungiven yes hey 5 hours le 48 minutes and draw tan kan zia kanga 5 hours le 48 okay 48 minutes kan zia kang equals to kallam kha exact mo time ala khunala kan shalo tro t1 and given lawa basing a formula kan shia enge distance by speed exact nge speed ka train in 25 chutiam bok chuan t2 ron let lam gain a low hawa so x distance cover 4 kilometer per hour speed tuna hemi kan convert anga 48 minutes he tuna 48 minutes he hour convert turin enge kan ti train kha 48 minute ania tro minutes ania anwaya 16 kan multiply nga chon achunga po 16 kan multiply nga tia kan multiply train and row 60 minute hi exact nga ni train 1 hour and train tro so 1 hour 48 le 1 to 48 and train tihian hey 48 le 60 and cancel them 12 in yes 4 by 5 in so 4 by 5 hours dan kan sia kang 48 minute in 4 by 5 hours pangale 4 by 5 hour exact nga ti chon cross multiply 5 5 is 25 25 plus 4 to 29 by 5 29 by 5 kan sia kang tuna hemi x ania hemi poi x ane tro right hand side kan solve nga exact nge LCM chu 100 ania 4x plus 25x okay equals to helama chun 29 by 5 hemi a trick pahat pawashil chunga so 4 le 25 exact nga ti chun 29 tro 29x ania 29x helama 29 oma right hand side apo 29 oma kan da son thai mon cancel hemi 100 di heta kan ziak chode nga 100 chunga kan zia vel 105 in kan divide lenga 20 sir so x equals to 20 kilometer option number C kan answer tuna hemi antinan aharin ti mai theya amapon average speed formula ka shel to chodro antinan for fixed distance atan fixed distance atan and then a le b in kara distance anin ang chuan oti hian enge kan answer ni enge kan average speed ani train average speed chu 2xy by x plus y ani train tura x exact nge tan kan zianga x chu speed of train ani dona 25 chon x2 chon y hi exact nge ti chon hey walking speed 4 divided by 25 le pali kan belanga anwaya 25 so 25 4s are exact nge ti chon zania zale 2 kan multiply chon zani by 29 chuti amok chon total distance exact nge ti chon total distance exact nge ti chon 200 divided by 29 ania multiplied by total time kan find out tro ama kan find out tro total time ka chu total time am je chu 5 hour le 48 minute ka convert nu ange ka exact nge ka 29 by 5 tro so hemi 29 by 5 e tahian kan multiply de ang 29 by 5 so 29 le 29 kan cancel 200 5 in kan divide chon exact nge 40 hemi eng distance nge in shiam kallam le olam chumi wangjan 2x ania so 2x equals to 14 ya then x equals to 20 40 by 2 to 20 nia ile thilin pelo zong tak po ani mai thea aseng mitam tak chuan unreplied train anuam tel dugania question number 4 a boy goes to his school from his house at a speed of 3 km per hour and returns ain ang veve mot question number 3 le 4 anga a value chi gatla ka so in practice nge turni in solve nge tur tuna question number 5 kan solve ang a train starts from place A okay hemi place A ni ta se chu dan zata zingdar ruka 6 am a train atlana chuaka koya kaldon chu an shalo and arrives at another place B okay B ya thlengani B ya kaldona 8 dan zata 4:30 pm pm on the same day yes if the speed of the train is 40 km per hour speed point given yota hian speed and given 40 km per hour find the distance traveled by the train okay distance can find out so distance enge formula speed multiplied by time ania speed chu kan shia exact nge 40 ne ro 40 km per hour basing time hi engtin enge time kan shalutuk engtin han ngei to tau zingdar rukatlana tro zingdar rukatlana chen tlaidar li le achan veya het lai vela han darli le achan via atleng point b ya so exact distance exact time nge a consume ti chon ei dar ru train dar som pani dar kar rukania chon dar som pani train tlai darli le chan ve exact nge dar kar som le chan ve ni chu so 10.5 tan kan sia kang time ungiven ni chu time equals to 10.5 10:30 mo 10:30 hours hi 10.5 pokan de tai mi shiaula a speed exact nge 40 kilometer per hour multiplied by time exact nge time 10.5 hours hour le hour kan cancel nga hemi point kan da so nga waya 0 pakhat omanga hemi 0 le hemi 0 en cancel nga enge bang 4 multiplied by zale panga kilometer tuna pali le za panga kan multiply jon zali le somni kilometer so ange kan answer our answer is 420 kilometer mi kan answer tuna mi tam ta inga tinge 10:30 le 10.5 enge entin ngai ante ya ti chon han ngai to do dar som pakhatin karania 10:30 chutiam bok chon 10 le 11 in karania 10.5 in chutia question number 6 walking at the rate of 4 kilometer an hour okay speed and given 4 kilometer an hour omzia juma hemi line he hemi hi speed and given tinania a man covers a certain distance in 3 hours le 45 minutes omzia juma certain distance kan shemi alaunia exact distance nge kan shemi alaunia distance maseng a speed kan neya a speed kan shia achon a time point given time exact nge 3 hours le 45 minutes tapo hian kan convertang 3 hours le 45 minutes tuna hemi ang tinang 16 achunga le nwaya kan multiply chon hours suron maya ngai 60 minute 1 hour kan sia kang tahan hour 45 le 60 and cancel them 15 in 15 3s are 15 4s are so tahian 3 plus 3 by 4 hours ania 4 le 3 gan multiply 12 on it so 15 by 4 hours kan nei to tuna distance exact nge ti chon distance formula kan shia m speed multiplied by time ane dro speed exact nge 4 kilometer per hour time exact nge 15 by 4 hour anwai mi hour le chungami hour kan da sonanga chuan hemi 4 le hemi 4 hi kan cancel bokanga enge bang 15 kilometer tro chumi function enge kan shiat hemi distance hemi x hi how much 15 kilometers so tuna distance kan nei to a tahan distance equals to 15 kilometers enge part dang if he covers the same distance hemi distance hi on cycle okay cycle in aret exact nge 16.5 ani chuan hunan zat nge alag don tinani chu chum distance cover tur chuan so speed and given a speed dang en zat nge cycle speed 16.5 kilometer per hour chuan I time kan nei lo so t equals to we don't know so t kan find out tang masengan ru thil pa ta po hian thil pahat boina oma option minutes sa omani minutes sa ma chemi wanchan kan convert anga ile don ta hian so time ange ni train time chu distance by speed ani train tuna distance exact nge ti chon som panga kilometer speed exact nge ti chon 16.5 kilometer per hour hemi hour ki ta chhode nga kilometer le kilometer kan cancel de yang so ta hian h kan zia kanga ti hian hemi point kan da so nga chunga bl pakhat ti hian hemi thili ta han ka zia kang 150 hours divided by 165 la kan option sian nula I minute sa matro chumi wangchon hemi hour he minute a kon convertang tuna dar kar khata minute exact nge om train somru kom train tro 60 minutes om train chumi function 16 kan multiply tuna hemi thilian to 15 table 165 mm yes om chiang to 11 times om train so hemi 0 le tihan 600 by 11 minutes or 600 by 11 minutes tan kan solve nga anula ta 11 in 54 in kan multiply the 594 ania exact nge bang don 6 bang don point kan danga 0 so 5 tahian 55 then 5 bang don tahian 0 chuan 4 in kan multiply lenga 44 6 om lenga 6 om chuan 5 in kan multiply lenga ti hian om zel don ti hian mo om zel don ti hian 5454 kan answer 54.54 option number B hi kan answer 54.54 hami mo kan answer etan 4 ania 54545454 tuna question number dang a train covers a distance of 10 kilometer in hemi distance ni ta se a le B in car distance 10 kilometer ni ta se hemi distance exact amo minute som pania a cover so a speed exact nge ni don ta po hian en ru a distance to 10 kilometers ania chon a time exact nge ti jon 12 minutes tuna minute atangin hour convert don jon enge kan tiang achunga len waya 16 kan multiply ang so hemi 60 minute in enge hour kan zia kang ta hian hour 12 table 60 oma 5 zar so 1 by 5 hours tuna speed exact nge ni don speed can find out ang speed formula 10 kilometer ania divided by 1 by 5 hours tuna hemi 5 anwai mi denominator mi fraction waya mi kha achunga kan multiply train so 50 kilometer per hour speed kan nei ti hian so enge thil dang if its speed is decreased by 5 kilometer per hour okay hemi speed hi hemi 50 kilometer per hour hi 5 kilometer kan ti tlem ang tuna mo ti tlem nuwa enge the time taken by it to cover the same distance okay tuna di chuan a speed somnga ani mektro antinan somnga a atlana tuna a speed hi 5 kilometer per hour in han ti tlem ila mo speed 2 ta han zia kila 50 minus 5 exact nge 45 kilometer per hour hemi speed a kilometer som hi hemi distance hi minute exact ange a cover thaidon tina ni chami caution ni chu so tapo hian hemi poi kan solve ang so time equals to distance exact nge 10 kilometer divided by speed exact nge 45 kilometer per hour tuna hemi kilometer le hemi kilometer hi kan cancel ang ni retiam chon by h hi achunga kan ziak te train ti hian equals to 10 by 45 hours ania masen kan answer minutes am chumi wangjon 10 by 45 tuna hour atangin minute convert don chon enge kan tiang 60 in kan multiply nga so 60 minutes 45 9 table oma 5 table oma 9 zar 65 table oma 12 zar so thil dang emi train kan cancel the ami poi train kan cancel so tahen 10 le 4 kan multiply nga 40 by 3 minutes 40 by 3 minutes akan convert angai doni of 40 divided by 3 13 zar ania 13 zar ne jan 39 tahan kan zia kanga 39 tahan 1 awang don hemi 1 hi engtin ma engman khoi dang lam don lo tahan kan ziak lenga 13 minutes chuan 1 by 3 tuna hemi 1 by 3 la mitam takan boy train ta hian minute atangin hemi poi minute thawania 1 train kan divide thelo chumi wangjan hemi second a kan convert de yang minute khata second exact nge om train second somru kom train tro 60 second om train so 60 divided by 3 exact nge ti chon 20 seconds so 13 minute by 30 minute le 20 second option number B an answer now ladies and gentlemen try this and comment it in the comment section katai ve me ni mo nuam ve me so tuna question number 80 now mari pon try ve ulo nge poi a train covers a distance of 10 kilometer in 12 minutes ania ai nang ve 7 le 8 ai nang che if its speed is decreased by 10 kilometer per hour nachina 5 can decrease it or 10 can decrease then the time taken by it to cover the same distance will be exact nge question number 4 tro nachina mi ka khoinge question number okay question number 4 le question number hemi hi question number 80 homework nang manin in solvang tura chuan question number 9 can solve a bullock cart has to cover a distance of zale somni kilometer in darkar sompanga okay bullock cart pakhat oma tan bullock cart pakhat oma ti hian mo ta hemi chu karot yam lawa englo in imagine me in visualize me don in tlua ka in imagine don ya hemi bullock cart hian kilometer za som ni hi darkar sompanga thlen angaya it has to cover this distance 120 kilometer distance in 15 hours so until dange if it covers half of the journey in 3 by 5 time mo 3/5 time om zia ka shilang chau om zia chu atira trangin top thleng zale somni kilometer ania so beginning atangin end thleng hemi distance cover turin darkar sompanga hun angaya tian ngei tola mo hun angaya amo hun aladon maseng khoshana eng thilngen given if it covers half of the journey full journey engzat nge kilometer za somninia half of the journey engzat nge somruk choniang chu za somni half chu engzat nge yewakanga somruk kilometer nia hemi kilometer somruk hi 3/5 time at a cover omzia ka shlang chu time diktak chu 15 anetro 3/5 of total time 15 netro engzat nge 3 inania so 3 multiplied by 3 9 okay hemi kilometer somrukimo darkar kwa a complete a cover tinani chu tuna tlemte thluakan mangleila kilometer somrukatlan to half of the journey a complete totro darkar kwa a hemi distance hi engzat nge somrukaniang chu somruk kilometer ajan chu a full journey 120 each one helam poi half 60 thawan yang the speed to cover the remaining distance in the time left has to be okay darkar kualai hun ala a half journey atan full journey zasom ni kilometer ania half of the journey kha onju kilometer somruk darkar kwa a mo athat chadawan yang darkar kwa a cover tuna darkar rukchawan lomi nei darkar sompanga a darkar kwa mangtoa hemi distance cover turin darkar rukala nei mo darkar rukala nei speed engzat nge ni wakanga speed equals to distance by time and distance engzat nge 60 tahan 60 kilometer kanzia kanga time engzat nge labang 6 hours 60 le 6 kan cancel nga 10 kilometer per hour 10 kilometer per hour option number C can answer okay tuna hami conceptual caution ni andrew ulukta ngai tlawla a man rides at the rate of 18 kilometer per hour okay a speed engzat nge a speed 18 kilometer per hour ulukta na hami caution ni acha conceptual ania but stops for 6 minutes dark minute ruk achol ve phota minute ruk adinga to change horses at the end of every 7th kilometer omzia chu chuan tildang the time that he will take to cover a distance of 90 kilometer omzia chu mo 90 kilometer distance anei avain ma seng khoshana angenzia a speed to 18 kilometer per hour nia every after 7th kilometer 7 kilometer zawamo minute rukatan ading thin 7 kilometer zawa minute ruka chola chumizwa kilometer sariyatlan lea minute ruka cholla kilometer saritlan lea minute ruka chola kilometer saritlana minute ruka chol kilometer saritlana minute ruka chol minute ruka chola kilometer saritlana minute ruka chol kilometer saritlana minute khatia avain hemi distance mo engzat nge 90 kilometers ania no athil pahat exam hola chon tian in cheer don leinem 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 tian lehemi 6 plus 6 plus 6 tian inti don inti tur pon lo tian jo tian inti turan lo tian insol turan lo tuna tan thil phashi atiam tumla avain total distance 90 kilometer netro hemi 90 kilometer hi chu hemi ret charchara hianani atlan chumi wang chuan time engzat nge ni don 90 kilometer divided by 18 kilometer per hour hemi kilometer le hemi kilometer hi kan cancel anga chon hemi hour hi chunga kan ziak te trina ti hian 9 in kan cancel ve venga hemi 0.9 in 2 time 10 by 2 oh 10 by 2 5 ania so time engzat nge tuna 5 hours chu hey chukmi alo se tlan charchar tlan tlang charchar ta se anidon maseng hey minute ruk angak zel boka tiana ding zel boka in jam chumi wang chuan hemi minute ruk pohi kan add ang chu voeng zat voice om pani ngatinga voice om pani achan chu hemi 7 in kan divide chuan 12 time a om don mo minimum value nia chumi wang chuan tahian plus 12 multiplied by 6 minutes achan chu 90 kilometer a chuan a thleng tolom kata hana chol to ading to don lo so 12 multiplied by 6 yung zat nge 72 minutes minute ruk voice om pani adinga so 5 hours le 72 minute hi na china ka soida nang kan 16 kan divide 16 kan multiply train so hemi hours ani ve dei dona 72 le 60 hi entin nge 12 in kan cancel theni so 12 engzat zar 6 chon 12 5 so 6 by 5 hi kan divide lenga tuna hemi thili kan convert leng ta hian in convert nasal tuka in ning to mai te 6 by 5 hours ania 6 by 5 hours poi kan divide anga 5 1 zar tuna 6 by 5 hi ti hian kan divide anga 5 1 hemi 1 hi hemi poi 5 in kan divide anga don yo so and 5 hours plus 1 hours plus 1 by 5 hours hemi 1 by 5 hours hi pangale pakhat chu paruk ta hen kan ziak mai don ta a 5 hours plus hemi 1 by 5 hour hi minute kan convert ang so minute convert don jon 60 minute in kan multiply 5 table 60 oma 12 minute so enge kan ziang ta hian 6 hours le 12 minute kan answer 6 hours plus 12 minute in shia thian lo jon video en non leula chu ta po en nuwa po in la shia thiam chuang lo chon ka omalom whatsapp a milo message la eng step nge in thiam lo te mo milo zor train la tuna caution hemi caution ni che ka soi kha hemi caution hi voi kha try photula in try thei chuan thadon lu tuka comment section a question number 4 answer hemi hinia tian in zianga question number 8 answer hemi hinia chen question number 11 answer hemi hi in thei chuan we try ula mo ma sen ka jon next video a chen ka explain don nge nge hemi mo ka explain nge nge hemi thadawin voi khat main theng hil thei lo nan khatiang tur khan ti nai chu so when a tan du talk rila video trying teach one in like turani chan in like chen chu ka motivation 100x ani thina bo chon hemi poimo venia I confuse lola ka channel chu Mizoram education habania so next video akain mule thodon ya thank you